This is so cool that I live literally within a 30-minute drive of this place. Isn't that right, Ella? You excited? You're so cute. It's gonna be hot. We are here at the parking spot at Training Hill. Cars everywhere. I'm gonna put on some nut butter in between my legs because I chafe when I run with shorts on and it's hot outside today. And then what else? I have this little water bottle fanny pack that's super fashionable and cool. Always have a hat. I think I'm gonna be taking my shirt off because it's nice out and I'm trying to get a tan for a bachelorette party that I'm going to next weekend. So here we go. Ooh. That water is freezing cold, if you're wondering. Excuse you. Bless you. And that looks like poison oak. Stay away, Ella. Well, family having a beach down there, beach day. This is No Hands Bridge, and we are going up here. Let's go, dog. Sit. Good girl. Let's go. What is on your butt? What's on your butt, dog? Is that dirt? She's got the right idea. Okay, I'm gonna start running too, so I'll show you guys the cool part in the hill. It is quite the hill. Look at that. Auburn's so pretty. Okay, come on, dog. I'll see you guys in a moment. So here's Training Hill. It just goes up for like a mile and a half. And a lady on a horse. The road is right down there, so you can still hear it. A woman just told me that she saw a bear at the top. So, change of plans. We're gonna go somewhere else because I want to take Ella off leash and I don't want her to die. So, where are we gonna go now? We might go and do Stagecoach instead because that is a little less, Ella, quit pulling. That's a little less secluded and I don't have a gun on me or anything, so I ain't about to come across no bear. Don't want my dog to have to deal with that, and Ella is pooping on the side of the hill. Good girl. I'm on high alert right now. I am so afraid of bears. You don't even know. The poop is just rolling down the hill. Super cute. Ella, quit pulling. So yeah, change of plans. We're going to Stagecoach instead. It's all good. Okay. Blah. Wow. We're now at the other side of the river. We're doing Stagecoach, which is I think 2 miles up, 2 miles down. I've done it quite a few times before. It's a pretty steady grade. I don't know what percentage, but feels like a lot. Definitely not Training Hill, but it'll do. I'm gonna do probably intervals, like run until I'm out of breath, and then walk, run, walk, so it can get a little more intense than just a steady climb. And I obviously am not gonna get very far because I'm already struggling. And man, I've got that Chipotle just like sitting right in my stomach. I get the red sauce, it's spicy and tastes really good, but you don't really want to move for a while after you've eaten something like that. Hopefully no bears. Alrighty, so now we're at the top of kind of the starting point for Stagecoach. So you can see we've got Russell Road, that's where we're going, 1.8 miles. The bridge, we just walked 0.8, I guess, didn't feel that long, but it's gorgeous out here. Beautiful day. Check that out, that big old bridge. Rumor has it people go bungee jumping off that thing. You'll never catch me doing that, but you know what? If you're doing it, I support you. Alrighty, so now we're gonna run up this hill. We're gonna die. So, see ya when I see ya. Okay, almost to the top. Very beautiful views. You can see the street. You can see Ella having the best time. You ready? You wanna keep going? Okay, let's go. Okay, we're at the top. 3.1 miles so far. It's very shady up here. It's very nice. So this is, sometimes you can park right here and then run down and back up. But we did the opposite way. So now we just get to go downhill after I stretch out my hamstrings because they're super tight. It's very hot outside. Ella, how do you feel? Ella, you back on the leash? You want some water? Is that enough? You want more?